Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about the CRF, that is a case report form, pa- a printed or optical or electronical document which is the designated to record all the protocol which is required for the information to be reported to the sponsor. The CRF is a paper or the electronic questionnaire specified used in the clinical trial research. All the data on the each patient participating in a clinical trials are held or documented in a CRF and include the adverse event. Now we are seeing the next we are seeing the introduction of this CRF. It is a specialized document in a clinical research and it should be study protocols they robust in the content and have the material to collect the study specific data. The size of the CRF can be ranged from the handwritten one-time snapshot of the patient's physical condition to 100 of the pages of the electrically captured data obtained over a period of weeks or the months. Now next we are seeing the goals of the CRF. The goal is to collect the data that can be verified and used for the analysis according to the good clinical practices. Now we are seeing the object of the CRF. The primary object of the CRF is designing to gather the complete and accurate data by avoiding the duplication and facilitating the transcription of the data from the source document onto the CRF. Now we are seeing the further information is the from the sponsor's point of view, the main logistic goal of the clinical trial is to obtain the accurate CRF. And now because of the human and the machine error, the data enter in the CRF is rarely completely accurate or the entire relatable. Now we are seeing the designing this how the design of the CRF takes place. In that it should be reflect the CRF should be reflect the protocol and it must be developed and tested in the advance and it also must follow the logical order. Next is must be easy to enter a database in the CRF and it can be computerized. Now next we are seeing the necessary requirements while designing the CRF. In that the use of the consistent format and the font size and font style throughout the CRF block list or booklet. It must. Then second one is the use of the clear and the consequence questions and the instructions. Next is the boxes that clearly indicates the place and the former data to be recorded should be provided to the person which is recording the data as much as possible. Using the option of the circulating of the answers should be limited as it is hard to interpret. Instead, check boxes would be appropriate. Next is we are saying the importance of the CRF. It provides the valid information for the hypothesis testing during the clinical research. Second one is a case report form capture the standardized clinical data at every stage of the research process. This data is analyzed to arrive at a research outcomes. Third one is the case report forms play an essential part in a medical research throughout the or breakthrough. By storing the unique data from the each research subject, case report forms create a large pool of the verifiable medical research information. It also improves the problem-based questions education. The medical researchers leverages existing the data from different cases report form to advance the systematic investigation in a specific field and a sub-field. Now next is the content in the CRF. In that the On the front page, it provides the title of the study, registration number, and name of the code of the center. Second one is on the second page, it provides the contact list, in that the sponsor and the investigator information is there. For third page is a patient identifier. Fourth is the informed consent, and fifth is a inclusion or a non-inclusion criteria. And last one is a follow the study schedule, in that the socio-demographic characteristics, clinical and the biological data, treatment, adverse event, safety data, and the safe explanatory. Last one is a element of the CRF, in that there are major three parts that it contains: the header, second is a safety related modules, and efficacy related modules. In that the modules block of the specific questions, then CRF and the CRF book. It's all about, all this is information is about the CRF. Thank you.